In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in WordPress. Changing the language on your WordPress platform can be a crucial step if you're looking to cater to a different demographic, or simply want your interface to be in a language you're more comfortable with. Whether it's for multilingual support or simply for personal preference, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can modify your WordPress site's language swiftly and effectively. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your hub for all the powerful features that WordPress offers, so start by entering your admin credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a variety of menu items here, each corresponding to a different aspect of your WordPress site. Look for Settings, and once you find it, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that drop-down menu, select General. Now that you're within the General settings, scroll down until you come across the section that says Site Language. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu listing all the available languages you can choose from. WordPress supports a plethora of languages, so whether you're looking for a widely spoken language or something more niche, there's likely an option here that fits. Simply click on the drop-down menu, and peruse the list until you find your desired language. Once you've selected the language you wish to switch to, glance down towards the bottom of the page and you'll notice a button that says Save Changes. It's important to remember this step because by clicking the Save Changes button, you're ensuring that the language switch is applied across your WordPress settings. After saving, you'll notice that the WordPress dashboard itself should now reflect your language choice, displaying the interface in the language you've selected. This change will apply to the back end of your WordPress site, meaning it's localized to the admin area, but if you want the front end, that's the part of your site visitors see, to display in multiple languages, you'll need to consider using a multilingual plugin like Wpml or Polylang. These plugins provide more robust options if you're managing a multilingual website. And there you have it. Changing the language in WordPress is a straightforward process with just a few simple steps. By following these instructions, you can ensure that your WordPress environment is tailored to your language preferences, making it more accessible and user-friendly for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your WordPress customization needs.